This is the last of our Elephant Nature Park videos, but if you're thinking of doing it and in any doubt, please don't be, just do it. It's one of the best things that we've done in all our travels so far, and to the extent that we've already now booked to go and do the sister volunteering in Cambodia at the Cambodia Wildlife Sanctuary. So, hope you enjoyed the videos. Subscribe so you don't miss out on the Cambodia one or the future videos in this series, and hope you enjoy this one.
The dogs here all come from different places. Some of them have been abandoned, some of them are from the Bangkok floods, and some of them rescued from the dog meat trade. So, how can anybody do anything bad to you? No! I don't think these will be here long.
There's already one got a collar, it's already been claimed.
Been Chris, the worker.
Yeah.
He's been carrying it around with him on the motorbike.
Has he?
Yeah.
Come into the park, you've got all the dog cages both sides. On the left there's all the ones that are rescued that are okay. Over this side, there's dogs everywhere that are loose as well. And then over there you've got the puppies, more runs. That was the pool we cleaned the other day. And then as you come down here, it's got the kennels for the ones that have been run over and got dodgy legs, which we've been walking quite a bit, and you see a few of them being walked in front actually. So yeah, lots of dogs. And as Jan said, that's from puppy farms or from the meat trade or just rescued from the floods in Bangkok or just rescued locally. And they also go out locally and neuter all the strays to try and control the numbers a bit more. Yeah, good boy. Okay, so we're on elephant kitchen duty this morning, and you can see the size of the stack of bananas we've started off with. Just a few more to go.
He's helping. He's helping, yeah. And that one over there, that one's helping too. Just like keeping an eye on the bugs.
Okay, so this afternoon we've got a visit to the local school. Looks like they've prepared various stalls with homemade stuff and food and drinks, so yeah, should be a nice afternoon.
The calorie, tea and soy bags that already melted in the morning. The second is BMK coffee.
A bit chaotic here at the school. We're about 40 of us turned up and they're all ready. Turned up in our vans. We've just been playing football for quite a while, hence why I'm dripping. I don't know if we won, lost or drew, but it was a good game of five-a-side up there. And then there's karaoke, tie-dye, candles, various embroidery and bags. There's people making bracelets over the back. Just had some of the cookies, they were very good. And a drink stall. So yeah, nice hour or so at this local school. go. Puppies being puppies, ripping up the old mattresses. Having a lovely time. The mist over the hills and first 2 elephants on the move. Dogs are annoying them this morning. Just a case of whether he's going to come this way or the other way. Hopefully come over this way and across here. Work. Just a little bit of mud left to go. We've done from that corner up to the tree, probably about halfway through that, and that's only halfway up one side. And I think this mud was up to the height of the fence after the flood.
Yeah.
Yeah! No, you need to do one for all of them. Every one of them.
You can buy a elephant cake to give to an elephant of your choice, which is what one of the families here have done. So we're just coming to give it to the elephant. See the cake on the back of the truck there. Think he's going to share?
That one at the back keeps getting me just like, oh my god.
She looks so happy.
She does, so happy. Oh.
Yeah, her legs everywhere.
Yes.
More here.
Our turn. We're better than kids.
This mahout earns his money because this elephant must be the naughtiest one in the park. It's forever going where he's not meant to, chasing after groups of people. Oh, yeah, having a little strop. Got a right attitude. Yeah, here he goes again. Always looking for trouble.
Yeah, what's she gonna get up to now?
This was all just mud when we got here, and now look at it, beautiful. And all the borders are just cutting up, chopping up bamboo and then slicing it up to make the little crosses. Incredible. All in a day, this. Okay, we're on our last couple hours here, so we're just going to go and walk some dogs for the last time. I know, it's sad. We had a lovely morning. There was a group walk, which we thought might be a bit of an anticlimax, but actually it was amazing, as you'll have seen on some of the clips of the animals, and even one of the elephants photobombs the group photo, which was quite funny. Everyone's scarpered.
But considering we weren't sure about whether we were going to come because we didn't know what state it was going to be in, we're so pleased that we came. It's been an amazing experience with fantastic people, fantastic staff, and the elephants have been phenomenal. So,
And the
as well
dogs.
as the dogs.
The dogs are just nuts, but yeah,
So,
brilliant.
if you're in any doubt about coming,
Come.
pay your money and come, because
Yeah.
we'll definitely be back. And maybe go to the Cambodia one
Yeah,
too.
yeah, definitely. So, and it is much busier today because they've opened up to day visitors for the first time since the floods. So, obviously got the permission from the government the other day, although that was fraught with various other problems that we'll tell you about later. But yeah, so there's lots of people here today, and obviously it's Sunday as well, so all the kids are off school, so all the local kids are wandering about, and there's lots of minibuses full of day visitors, which is good for the revenue for the park again, to get some more people. Oh, there goes one. Yeah, so in a way we were really lucky that we were here, because we were the first people back on site and there were no day visitors, so we've had the place to ourselves all week.
But
which
that's
has been-
sad because they've lost all that revenue and
Yeah,
and
but
everything else.
it was nice for us.
It's been quite an emotional time. We've just seen a dog with no legs at all, which is just going.
And a big scar on
and
its
a big
face.
scar on its face, and yeah.
Yes,
So if you come here, prepare for the emotions that are going to be.
yeah, and
Particularly
you
when
need
you
to
watch the videos
And if you're nervous about dogs, probably not the place to come because there's dogs charging about all over the place.
But that
Friendly
for
in
us-
the main.
But that for us is a positive.
Oh yeah, no, it's lovely.
So-
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm really happy to having you guys during this week. You make my day and inspire me to continue this job.
For real in my heart.
Oh.
And I think I hope you have fun here. You very have fun. And I hope you come back here when it's already very
Alright. Just thank you guys a lot today. Thanks for coming and thanks for coming back from off you. So really appreciate about what you have done to our park. It means a lot to our park, and what you have done to us is also mean a lot for us as well. Your kindness, your smile, and your appreciate. Thanks for all of those stuff. So
For our group.
Definitely consider the families and all
Are you doing a social?